This video is about this universal cell phone. Well, okay, it's not about this one. This is my wife's. Hers is fine. This is about mine. It broke. I want to say I had it only a couple of weeks, and then I came in one day, went to put my phone in it, and touched it, and it fell off. Apparently this right here is very weak, and if you overstretch this, even though you can open it almost an inch and a half. It's hard to do that one-handed. And my dash is 1 inch, but it quickly widens out to about an inch and a half. Apparently that was too much for it. So this is what I have now. This is a piece of brass and 8 bolts or nuts, screws, washers, and a piece of brass. Nice thing about this is it's a lot more flexible, so it doesn't push up as hard, put so much stress on this point. So let's put this on here. Okay, so let's see. This thing can open up pretty wide. You can see here, this is it can open up 4 inches. And you can mount your phone in it. And mine is mounted so that I can just see the front of my hood over the top of it, just barely. And the nice thing about it is
head north on North 34th Street toward East Windsor Avenue.
I'm facing the wrong way.
Turn right onto East Cambridge Avenue. In a quarter mile, turn right onto North 32nd Street.
So you can see that this doesn't block my view, and it actually would comply with California's laws in that you can't put any you can't attach any device to your window unless it's in the upper left, right, or lower left, right corner within a certain area.
Take the next right onto North 32nd Street.
And I can actually control it with my finger just right in front of me.
Continue on North 32nd Street for 1 mile.
It can turn, so it can be portrait or landscape, and you can push it forward and back, and it'll even turn right and left. It's really nice and convenient in this location. And my wife, we had to put it here because she's short and she couldn't quite see past it. But the problem with it's too thick here, and so she was having trouble with it staying on. So we're going to have to come up with some other place to put it in her car. Construction is, I think it's like ABS plastic. This one was less than $10. I know, right? Something that was less than $10, it's garbage. Well, I mean, it's pretty crappy in that it, if your dashboard hood is thicker than about an inch, you're going to have problems. I just kind of picked a random location to go, and just to show how well this thing otherwise works. Actually, my steering wheel that's better. The only other issue I can say about it is that when it's on here, this piece blocks some of the warning lights, so you have to kind of look to the side to make sure you don't have warning lights on, like if it was nighttime or something.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto East Indian School Road.
But the reason I'm making this video is mostly because the videos, the sellers for these things, they sometimes have a video. They don't have, none of them have videos. They have no information, and
Turn right onto East Indian School Road.
They have no information often on how big of a dash these things fit. You know, nothing. And
In half a mile, your destination will be on the right.
anyways, we're done. The thing, I mean, it stays where it's put as long as it doesn't break, and otherwise it works okay. Anyways, and I don't know, I don't know who makes these, because they seem to sell them under different names and manufacturers. And even more annoying is sometimes you'll order what you think is one type and you'll get another. Luckily, the one I ordered the one that I wanted, and I got what I ordered. So I hope this helps. Later.